Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2018 KTM Superduke 1290 GT. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's take a close look at this KTM. It is HPI clear. It's only one owner from new. It does come with a spare key in the pack. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front, we'll walk all the way around the bike, get a good close look at the condition. It is in black, orange and grey, or grey silver. And it does have ABS on this and Brembo brakes on it. Also got the KTM handguards on it. Let's get a good look at the condition of the plastics on the side and the side of the tank. Let's get a good look at this engine on this side. All looking nice and clean. Get a good looking at the shock there. It's looking like a new chain and sprocket as well. Certainly in really good condition. It's also got the KTM panniers on this as well, the matching panniers. Let's get a look over the top of them, over the top of the seat as well, and over the top of the tank. Let's get a good look at it from the back. We'll move round to the right hand side, get a good look at the pannier on this side. As you can see, it's got Remus exhaust on it. This also has the tyre pressure monitors. They're displayed on the dash, on the LCD dash. You've also got the electronic suspension. It's got multiple settings on there for the suspension, all done electronically. It also has cruise control on this one as well, so it's fully loaded. Let's get a good look over this side. Let's get a look low down. Let's get a good look all over this side of the tank. I'll just move the bars round so you can see it better. And we'll finish off on the front wheel on this right hand side. What we'll do, we'll go and take a look up at the dash and controls, and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's get a look at the controls. So you've got your front brake, your throttle, you've got your kill switch and your starter. You've also got the cruise control on here, so that's your cruise control button and your resume and set plus and minus buttons on there. We'll move over to the other side. You've got your lights, obviously clutch, lights, indicators, horn, hazards, and then these are the menu buttons for the dash. We'll get a look at the mileage on it, and it's done 33,074 on there. So basically you just use these buttons to scroll through on the dash. So you get your driver mode there, you've got street, rain and sport on there. You've got the damping as well, again for street, sport and comfort. Then you've got your load, so you can judge, you know, put it for if you've got a passenger or if you're just on your own or on your own with luggage, etc. on there. And then that's the traction control and ABS on there, and your heated grips as well. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.